Hey everyone, welcome to Happy. This is going to be a quick video to show you what we're going to do with our Tillamook Goumi. We got two of them. We up-potted the Goumi plants and I'm ready to plant one of them. Right now I'm going to turn it into a single stem Tillamook Goumi plant. Let's see if it works. Check it out. We work our plants in different ways. For the Goumi plant, they want to be a multi-stemmed plant. Check this girl out. She's got two main trunks coming up here. That's how we got her. And true to her nature, she sprouted this sprout right there from the base. You know it's a fresh sprout because of its rust brown color. This is a beautiful specimen plant, but what I really like about her is she's got this main single trunk right here. And while this branch is really big, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna take out the sprout. And over time, we're just going to maintain this single stem. This is another way to enjoy a Goumi plant. I'm talking single stem. Goumi plants are just absolutely fantastic. Check out our website. I've got 15 reasons why it's arguably one of the coolest plants around. Edible berries, good for you. I believe they even have some fatty acids or something like that. I mean, they're really just, you can do anything with this plant. Taking off this branch is going to be a gnarly surgery, but we're going to go for it. So get a good angle, get it flush cut to the stem. That takes care of that piece of new growth that came out. And boy, this is gonna hurt, but I'm going for it. Nice flush cut. Oh, we're gonna put a little pruning salve on that. That's a pretty gnarly cut, but the Goumi plant is a very hardy plant. So you might be wondering if we could put that in some rooting hormone and have ourselves some additional plants. I'm sure you could. There's more information online on our website about softwood, hardwood propagation. We're drowning in plants, so I'm just gonna keep it moving. This is a well-established planting row here, but I took out a lot of soil because I have some issues with passion fruit vine. We can take out anything predatory like a passion fruit vine that just went nuts around the perimeter. I don't want to have to go underneath this girl. Save as many roots as you can coming out the bottom of the pot. I mean, these got mold a little bit. The fattest roots will get caught. Oh, some of the root bark is coming off. Now we up-potted her just a couple of months ago, well, several months ago in spring, and you can see just this beautiful, vigorous root system. Look at that. Oh, there's my string. Got to get her up to the string. This is biotone. Put down about a cup of it. Stimulate root growth. Mix it in the soil a little bit. Why, the tomato root looks very similar to that damn passion fruit vine, but I got a tomato right there. Here are the two larger limbs coming off the main stem, one pointing eastward, one westward, creating kind of a fan in the back of the plant. That's going to capture the sun. That's in that direction there. We started a little bit of a trunk straightening process. If there's a time to straighten out a trunk, it's when the plant is as young as possible. You don't have to straighten it all out at one time. We just tied it off in the directions that we want to bend the single stem, see what happens. Over time, all this will fatten up and she'll continue to grow. I don't know if I'm going to be fighting a multi-trunk plant, a plant that by nature wants to be multi-trunk, but we went ahead and gave it a try. This was the other Tillamook that we purchased, and you can see by nature she's got a lot of nice beautiful limbs coming off the base, maybe a good four inches off of the soil level. So we'll allow her to be a multi-trunked bush. This looks like a graft joint here, so maybe when we plant her she can be planted a little lower than what we see right here. Also be interesting to see what's growing out of that graft union right there. It's going to be in a location where we want her to be a little shorter and bushier. She's going to be at the tip of a row as an accent plant to show her off. We just love our Goumi plants. This is what the Goumi will turn into. This is our sweet Scarlet Goumi. She's clocking in about 10 to 12 feet high, 6-7 years old, something along that line. You can shape them to any size that you want. There is a tendency for the multi-trunk action. We haven't pruned her for probably about a couple years. She needs a haircut right now. Limbs kind of going in a few different directions. Check out our video on pruning the sweet Scarlet Goumi. There'll be a fresh one coming out this late winter. Tillamook Goumi. We just adore the Goumi plants. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and follow this young lady over the years as we cultivate her, propagate her, and enjoy its fruit. Take care of yourself. Take care of someone else if you can. Love you. Bye.